Mimz here, and welcome back. I hope you all had wonderful holidays and a happy new year. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I will create a Linux Ubuntu virtual machine using VirtualBox, which is installed on my Windows 10 PC. I'm going to start another certification prep soon, but before I do, I decided to look over the Linux Plus books, videos, and notes that I have just to refresh my memory for the next certification. So let's jump right in and install my virtual study environments. Alright, so this is VirtualBox. It is a free Oracle software. VirtualBox works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, so as long as your device meets the standard requirements, you are free to use it. So notice how there are no virtual machines currently on this VirtualBox. So let's change that right now. We're going to hit New. I'm going to name this Mimz Ubuntu Study Lab. I'm going to keep the machine folder the same. So since it detected that word, it already changed it to Linux and Ubuntu 64. But here are some other OSs that you can install. So let's hit next. I'm going to keep the memory the same. This is going to be just for study purposes, so I don't need it to be too beefed up. So let's go to next. Right here, we're going to hit create a virtual hard disk now. So let's do that, create. So we have some options here. We're going to keep it as the default. Let's go next. We're going to choose dynamic. All this can stay as default, so let's hit create. Alright, so there it is. It's currently powered off, and I haven't mounted any images yet. I did download it right now, so that's what we're going to do really quick. There's various ways of getting to the settings. The configurations are right here. You can also hit the button that says settings, and you can look at things more in depth, or you can just hover over and right click and you get the same controls. Alright, so let's go ahead and power it on. And here is where we're going to mount the image. So let's go to device, optical drives, and we're going to choose one. So let's go add, I saved it, documents, IT, software, images. CentOS is going to be for the next one. So right now we're doing Ubuntu and we're doing desktop for today. There's the ISO, so let's choose. Okay, so now we have to reboot. Let's do here. Let's just reset. There we go, Ubuntu. All right, looks like it's finally coming up. Awesome, okay. So we're going to do English, let's install Ubuntu, continue, normal install, it's fine, download drivers, we're good with that. Alright, so yeah, I mean, nothing's on here anyway, so we can erase disk and install now. Okay, so we have to put a name, Mimz Ubuntu Desktop Lab, the longest name ever. I'll choose something. I'll add that to my key pass. There we go. We don't have AD right now, so let's continue. Yay! So there it goes. It's going to install. I'll probably just speed through this and catch up with you guys once it's done. And there it is. We are now running Ubuntu 2110 on our Windows 10 machine. As you can see, this is not a full core instance. There is a slight GUI, but I will be using SSH and the command line, so this will be my sweet spot. That's it for now. I told you, short and sweet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As I go through my notes, I will be creating more Linux quickies, so stay tuned. Bye for now.